Welcome to RS Technology. In this video series, I will show you how to make your own text-based GIF using basic CSS. So before coding, let me break the HTML code here. Here, I have used one h1 tag, this, and I have used one GIF image and some paragraph for this text. Okay, so let's start coding. Inside the body, we need one font tag for writing heading, and inside the font we need one h1 tag here, h1 tag here, and we have to write here hello everyone, or you can write any text, hello everyone. Style it, I want to just center a line, so inside the h1 tag I'm writing here align center, align center. Okay, and then we need font color here, so I'm writing here color red, color red. You can use any of the color. And after that, second thing, we need one paragraph for representing the GIF, so I'm using here p tag, and inside this we have to write any word that you want to represent using GIF. So I'm writing here help me, and just copy and paste multiple times, copy and paste multiple times. Okay, so I have pasted multiple times, save it and see the output right side. Okay, so let me write some CSS here. I have to write CSS for body simple. We need one background color, that is black, so I'm writing here background black. Okay, after that we need CSS for paragraph like p tag, so I'm writing here CSS for p tag here. It's very simple. I'm using here one I am using here one GIF link, background URL GIF link, and here I have used no repeat, means only once we need this. Okay, after that we need some more CSS for paragraph, that is background attachment fixed, background attachment fixed, background attachment fixed, font size 13 pixel, font size 13 pixel, background clip, background clip. Here I'm using help. You can use help or text both. If you are typing here background clip help, means you are able to watch here GIF, and if we type here text, so you watch here text. Okay, after output we will just clear. After that I'm writing here WebKit background clip text, WebKit background clip text. Okay, and WebKit text fill over, WebKit text fill color transparent. Let me save it and see the output here. When we change this background clip text to help and save it, so this GIF looking like this. Okay, and you can just change it to help to text, and you are able to look your text here. So thanks for watching.